Good day everybody, welcome once again to Flicker Brain. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys two major tips to increase your AdSense revenue with arbitrage method. And I'm going to be talking about two different ads network I work with. So pay attention to this video so you don't miss out the points you're going to use to increase your revenue. Okay, so by the way, let me show you guys what we have done so far on my AdSense account, so you can see what we have done this month on this account. And this is the account I posted previously in my last video. You can go and check out the last video I made on this channel. Even the other video before the last one is still the same account. So I started working on this account this month with the arbitrage method and my loading method. Okay, so currently you can see what we have done so far on this account. You can see it have reached up to like $3,000. This is roughly $4,000, and you can see today so far what we have generated. And from here you can see my CPC is high, and you can see the RPM is high as well. This strategy is my arbitrage strategy, and the tips I'm going to be explaining to you guys is also what I work with. Okay, so I'll need you to pay attention to this video so you can get some value out of it. All right, so let me go back to the Google Doc. Now I work with two types of ad. I work with Tabola ad, and I also work with Napa ads. And none of you know these Napa ads are all these news publication sites. So now the two things that is involved here is what you're going to know about is Napa ads are actually expensive than these other ones, but they give you high returns. Okay, now one thing about this Napa ads, now see what's involved in it. You must have an educational content. Okay, Napa users expect value, not all these clickbaits. And also your articles must be long up to 1,200 words and above. Do you understand? It must be high because that's what is going to boost your RPM. And if you're starting out with all these Snap ads, I might advise you to start small. Don't put a lot of budget on it. Start small and watch how it is. If it's going well, then you can now invest heavy. And make sure that the content you're posting are related to this content. You can see text, fixed content, finance, and all these consumers problem, because these are contents that have high RPM. Okay, now if you're also working with Tabola ad, which is my regular ad network I work with, I mostly use Tabola for arbitrage. I don't really make use of Facebook arbitrage like that anymore because the returns are not really that much. Facebook is a cheap traffic source. So, and even this Tabolo is cheap, but the returns are also high. Okay, so for this Tabola ad, you need to focus on curiosity-driven content. Okay, make sure that the content you're writing in your articles, they hook curiosity and explain the problem very fast, because it increases your RPM. Okay, now the article should be around 800 to 1,500 words, and that's your articles. Let it not be below 800. Okay, and also for Tabola ad, you start lightly. You run your ad small, then you can invest heavier. Okay, so these topics are also topics that have good RPM: tech issues, money, confusion, these topics that has good CPC. Those are topics you need to focus on, because and secondly, if you don't know how to work with Napa ads, I don't recommend you to go with it, because it have high risk rates. Okay, the risk rate is high. This is more safer, but for this, the risk rate is high. It's only if you know what you're doing, you can make use of this Napa ads. Okay, so going back to my AdSense dashboard, and you can even see what the amount of traffic that's coming in this site. This site also has a little bit of organic traffic. You can see that the strategy I work with is a safe method I work with. I mix this arbitrage with my loading method to get this amount of results. My loading method is an automation method which I work with. Okay, so if you're also interested in learning my strategy, my arbitrage method, or my loading strategy, you can check out the link in the description box to reach out to me. And if you also have a good account that is heavy, you can write me up for next year partnership. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, everyone.